Opens up, friends. Today I have a hammock ready for you with a water view and beautifully designed. I want to show it to you. Let's go. I love this styled kitchen. You've got quartz and gas and a beautiful backsplash with a pantry and a double oven overlooking the rest of the living space. The indoors and the outdoors become one with this perfect Florida living. I love this expansive main ensuite. Your views of the water, and you have access to the back porch right there. Just imagine being in this shower with this large, ample bathroom. This hammock is a 3-bed, 2.5 bath. And there's extra space, bonus room. See, perfect outdoor living space in this beautiful home. So for more information, look in the description below. I've got the listing link there for you to see all the added details of this beauty. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any of these.